Advice of the week from March 13th to March 19th. This week, you may feel frustrated when it comes to reaching your goals. Expect delays and obstacles in your plans. This will make you spend a little more time in those things you had already pending. The guide for this week is the Archer. Follow your instincts and do not follow the path that was already designed. If you're able to find your chance, no matter if it is good or bad timing, take it. This week, visualizing your goals or that you want to achieve and will stop at nothing is going to be favored. The path that you must follow this week is the path of the oak. This card tells us that we should stay humble with ourselves. Make decisions that you feel good about and that will make you proud in the future, no matter what others say.